Balik po kami ngayon sa Jupes TV. Papunta na po tayo sa collapsed building of Myanmar. On the scene po ay si Ike Madriaga Travis.
Myanmar earthquake live. Dozens trapped in Bangkok building collapse after a 7.7 tremor. At least 2 people were killed after the quake. Centered near Mandalay in Myanmar, caused a skyscraper in Thailand to collapse. Information will be brought to you by Mr. Simon Inocencio.
A powerful 7.7 magnitude earthquake struck central Myanmar today, sending tremors as far as Bangkok, and promoting both Thailand and Myanmar to declare a state of emergency. In Bangkok, a high-rise building under construction collapsed near the city Chatuchak market. Police confirm at least 43 people are thought to be trapped and people were killed in the incident, with 7 people rescued from debris so far.
The things or information you need to know before, during, and after volcanic hazard. Before volcanic hazard, you should prepare an emergency kit with essentials, create an evacuation plan, multiple roads, secure your home by reinforcing structures and windows, stay informed about local volcanic risk activity, and establish a communication plan with family and friends. So during
During a volcanic hazard, stay indoors to avoid ash and debris. Protect your breathing with a mask or a cloth. And avoid driving due to poor visibility and slippery roads. Follow evacuation orders if issued. And stay informed through local authorities and news updates.
After a volcanic hazard, wait for the all clear from authorities before returning home. Check for the damage and hazards. Carefully clear ash using protective gear. Avoid dangerous areas such as lava, mud flow zones. Seek medical attention if needed and assist neighbors, especially vulnerable individuals.
Pause mo na. Guys, itong mga fun facts tungkol sa mga vulkan natin guys. So alam nyo ba, yung vulkan kaya na gumawa ng bagong lupa. Tama yan. Tapos yun, alam yung pyroclastic flows, sobrang bilis nun guys. Nakakapanira pa ng mga bahay ng mga tao. Tapos yung alam yung mga vulkan, pwede niyang apektuhan yung mga climate natin. Kaya meron tayong mga climate change, di ba guys? Tapos pati yung vulkan, pati sa tubig, ang lala, kaya nilang pumutok doon. Grabe, ang init doon. Tapos yung pinakalas, guys, kapag minsan pag may volcanic eruption, sumasabay din yung kidlat. Grabe. Ako lang to